Hey everybody, Alex Ryan here, coming to you from a very special place. This is Singapore. This is probably the most visited place that I go to because I'm always here en route to China or heading off to Thailand for work, and I'm always stopping here in Singapore. It is beautiful. In the back there, that is the Marina Bay Sands. That is probably one of the most expensive hotels here in Singapore. It is ridiculously expensive to stay there, but they've got the best pool there apparently, and you've got Singapore in the background there as well. It's very beautiful. It's lovely here, and I'm over here actually visiting a few clients. I've got quite a few clients that I'm visiting here while I'm in Singapore. I've got two clients. One's importing paper cups, believe it or not, paper cups. And he's doing incredibly well. It's a heavy duty sort of different paper cup to what you would normally expect. But a lot of people tend to overlook Singapore. It's a massive hub. It's not just a banking city, it's a massive hub. There are so many products that you could potentially import from Singapore. I mean, it's not as cheap as China for sure, but there's definitely some opportunity for you to import products here. And it's funny enough, I'm heading to Taiwan in a few days. I'm going to Taiwan, I'm off to Japan. Each one of those cities, I'm actually visiting suppliers over there because each country has something a little bit different that China doesn't specifically offer. So when people think about importing, their mind directly goes to China, but it's not all about China. There's actually a lot of other great cities, great hubs out there that you can jump on board and import from there as well. So there's little micro businesses that you can create from specific products from places such as Singapore. So if you're looking, guys, if you're actually looking to get something started, maybe you're looking to start an import-export business, maybe you're looking to sort of get the ball rolling, maybe you're unsure about the specific products that you want to import, then visit the website. The website's down below. Give us a call or connect with us, and I'm happy to give you a free 4-part video program. I've got an ebook as well. There's no charge. I'll send you a free copy of that booklet. It will give you a really good start to finding good products, but also how to get them into your country risk-free. I think a lot of people sort of tend to overlook a few things when it comes to importing. It's not just that. It's not just about the product. It's also about whether or not you can sell the product as well. So I've got in my free video series, I've actually got strategies that enable you to sell your products as well. So definitely give it a check out, guys. Have an awesome day, and to your importing success. Talk to you real soon. See you later.